member of the family. Brand new Stegosaurus. We need to introduce him to everybody, right, Sin?
Yeah.
All right, want me to start? Hi, my name's Abby Cadabby. What's your name?
I'm Stegosaurus.
Where do you live?
I'm at the dance museum.
Wow, do you like living there?
Yeah.
Do you have lots of friends there?
Yeah.
Yeah, the other dinosaurs? Do you want to meet some of the other guys? How about... Hi, I'm Puddles the Platypus. What's your name?
I'm Stegosaurus.
Oh, it's so nice to meet you. Welcome to the family. Who's next, Sid?
A Sam named.
Killer Whale?
Hi, Chloe. Hi, Dolphin. We like to swim in the ocean. You like to swim in the ocean, Dolphin, and you? Yeah, we do. We do Stegosaurus. And this is Puddles the Platypus. Lives in the ocean still. And I would like to fly in the air. And Seal like to swim like Puddles. And Sharky. And Dolphin. And Ham. And Ham.
Can they do Eskimo kisses?
Eskimo.
And what about the guys that are in the ocean on the train track?